Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can resolve the connection problems with your Mi Airdots. Maybe in your case your left Mi Airdot is not connecting with your right Mi Airdot, or maybe both the Airdots are not connecting with your mobile device or iPad, etc. So I'm going to show you how you can resolve these kind of connection errors with your Mi Airdot in this video. So let's begin the tutorial. So first of all, I'm going to open the settings on the device in which the Mi Airdots are connected. If you are unable to connect it while getting from the box directly, so then you don't need to do this process. But if you have already connected them with your phone, then first of all you need to disconnect them from the Bluetooth settings. Here you can see Redmi Airdots R, which is the right one. You're going to select on it and you're going to forget this device. Again, if it is not showing here, then simply what you can do is remove it from here and the option should pop up. So we're going to press on forget this device, and the device has been successfully forgotten. So what we are going to do now is that we're going to remove both of the Mi Airdots out from their cases, and we're going to long press on these physical buttons on both the Mi Airdots for 5 seconds. So here we go in 3, 2, 1. And here you're going to see these red lights continuously, which means that we have successfully done our first step, which is to power off these Mi Airdots. Now the second thing is that we need to hard reset both of these Mi Airdots. So again, we are going to press on both of these Mi Airdots simultaneously for continuous off. After the first 10 seconds you're going to see the first blinking light, and after the you're going to see the second blinking light. So we're going to go in 3, 2, 1. So after the hard reset, we're going to again press on both the Airdots for 5 seconds. Again in 3, 2, 1. And now you're going to see these white lights blinking. So now what we are going to do is that we are just simply going to put these in their cases like this. And now what we are going to do is, again, when we see this charging red light, we are going to remove them from their cases, and you can see that this one is blinking, meaning that it's finding. As you can see right here, when you know that it has done successfully, that the left earbud will not blink, whereas the right one will start blinking. So here I'm just going to open my phone again. Here I am again in the Bluetooth settings, and it's going to show only the right one. I'm going to press on it, and you can see it has connected successfully. And now I'm going to play some music to show you whether it is working or not. So let me just increase the volume. This is the right earbud and this is the left earbud, so you can hear voice from both the earbuds. So in this way you can troubleshoot the connection problem between your Mi Airdots if they are not connecting with your phone, or maybe the left one is not syncing with the right one. So in this way you can simply do it. So guys, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.